The 2027 Toyota RAV4 is arriving after the biggest leap forward this nameplate has ever taken, and the reasons to wait for it instead of buying any other model in the class are impossible to ignore. If you've been circling the compact SUV market, watching prices climb while the vehicles themselves feel increasingly interchangeable, the 2027 RAV4 is arriving with the kind of upgrades that actually change the calculation. Most people still picture the RAV4 as the predictable play-it-safe choice, but this new generation is bringing a 324 horsepower plug-in hybrid, Gazoo racing-tuned suspension, and fuel economy that stretches past 600 miles on a single tank, making it one of the most well-rounded compact SUVs ever built. Number 7. Proven standard hybrid powertrain. The 2027 RAV4 is going hybrid only across the entire lineup. No gasoline-only option remains. At the foundation sits a 2.5-liter four-cylinder paired with electric motors producing 226 horsepower on front-wheel drive models and climbing to 236 horsepower with all-wheel drive, where a third electric motor takes over the rear axle. In real-world testing, the all-wheel drive model covers 0 to 60 in around 7 seconds. Competitive and confident in daily use. A lot of buyers have been down this road before. They've picked a hybrid from a brand that entered the segment recently, and within a few years, they're dealing with rough transitions and reliability concerns nobody warned them about. That frustration is exactly what Toyota's engineering history prevents. This architecture has been in continuous refinement for nearly 3 decades, with every generation tightening the handoff between electric and gas power and extending component life. The result is a system that pulls cleanly from rest, holds highway speeds without complaint, and carries a reliability record competitors are still working to match. A proven powertrain is the right foundation, but a great engine in a vehicle that looks like every other crossover on the road is only half the battle. And the 2027 RAV4 has a clear answer to that problem too. Number 6. 3 distinctive looks. Previous RAV4 generations were sometimes criticized for feeling interchangeable with slightly different trim badges on essentially the same vehicle. The 2027 lineup is a different story. 3 distinct directions are coming, each built around a specific use case rather than a different equipment level. Standard trims carry a sharper, more upright exterior design with cleaner lines and a more purposeful stance. Next is the Woodland, built for buyers who actually use their SUV the way the commercials suggest everyone does. All-terrain tires, unique bumpers, built-in roof rail crossbars, a rear trailer hitch, and Rigid Industries LED fog lights are all arriving standard. That's a hardware that requires a significant premium elsewhere in the segment. There's a particular frustration that comes with paying for an adventure-ready SUV that's really just a regular crossover with a badge. The Woodland goes after that buyer directly with factory equipment that backs up its intent. Then there's the GR Sport, where Toyota Gazoo Racing is handling suspension calibration paired with summer tires and a revised steering system. A mainstream family SUV with genuine driver-focused hardware is rare territory, and that GR Sport trim becomes even more interesting once you understand what's powering its plug-in version. Number 5. Potent plug-in hybrid. 324 horsepower. That's what the plug-in hybrid version of the 2027 RAV4 is going to produce. Nearly 100 more than the standard hybrid, with all-wheel drive arriving standard on every PHEV model. Most people shopping for a plug-in hybrid have learned to manage their expectations. The electric range runs out mid-commute. Public charging feels like a detour. Real-world performance lands somewhere between fine and forgettable. Those compromises have pushed a lot of buyers back toward gasoline, and Toyota is addressing all 3 directly. All-electric range is reaching up to 52 miles, a full 10 more than the outgoing generation, and DC fast charging is now going to be available, making a midday top-up a realistic option. For buyers whose daily commute sits under that 52-mile threshold, the combustion engine may barely factor into the week at all. The GR Sport PHEV pairs Gazoo racing suspension, tuning with 324 horsepower and standard all-wheel drive, and that's the most performance-focused RAV4 ever built. But raw performance only tells part of the story, because the systems protecting everyone inside deserve just as much attention. Number 4. Loads of safety features. Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 is going to be standard across every 2027 RAV4 trim without exception. Front automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, lane keep assist, intersection collision avoidance, adaptive cruise control, and automatic high beams are all arriving regardless of trim level. Anyone who's configured a new vehicle knows how quickly the safety options list inflates the price. You find the trim you want, then discover blind spot monitoring is locked inside a bundle with 3 things you don't need. By the time you've checked every safety box, you've added thousands of dollars without intending to. The 2027 RAV4 skips that process entirely. The pre-collision system is going to be identifying vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists more reliably, particularly in lower visibility conditions. Adaptive cruise control manages speed changes with less abruptness, and a new proactive driving assist feature offers gentle steering and braking guidance through curves. Several competitors are still gating safety features behind higher trims. The 2027 RAV4 isn't doing that. Safety across every trim is a strong standard, but for many buyers, the most persuasive number in this package isn't a safety rating. It's what happens every time they stop for fuel. Number 3. Excellent fuel economy. Going hybrid only produces a direct payoff at the pump. Front-wheel drive, LE and SE models, are going to be returning up to 46 miles per gallon city and 39 miles per gallon highway, near the top of the compact SUV class. Even the Woodland, running all-terrain tires and full off-road hardware, is going to be managing 42 city and 35 highway. Fuel costs add up quietly. A buyer stepping out of a 24 miles per gallon SUV and into a RAV4 returning 44 miles per gallon combined is going to be saving between $800 and $1,200 a year, money that stops disappearing at the pump. With a 14.5-gallon tank, driving range is going to fall between 550 and 620 miles per fill-up. That's a figure more commonly associated with diesel vehicles than compact family SUVs. Plug-in hybrid trims push efficiency further, with 52 miles of all-electric range, meaning most daily commutes are completed without the engine firing at all. Saving money at the pump is one kind of practical argument, but the RAV4 has another, and it plays out every time the tailgate opens. Number 2. Spacious and practical cabin. The 2027 RAV4's interior is organized around usefulness throughout. 37.8 cubic feet of cargo space are going to be available with the rear seats up, expanding to 70.4 cubic feet with the seats folded. Enough for a hardware store run, a camping weekend, or a warehouse haul without creative packing. A cramped or poorly shaped cargo floor turns every trip into a frustration. That raised lip catches heavy items, the narrow opening requiring 2 people to load anything bulky. Those are the daily irritants that wear on owners far more than any spec sheet suggests. The RAV4's rear floor is going to be wide, flat, and accessible, with a power tailgate arriving on upper trims. The XLE Premium, around $38,000, is adding heated front seats, leatherette upholstery, and 18-inch wheels. Practical upgrades that change how the vehicle actually feels to live with. 3 USB-C ports in the front row and 2 more in the rear keep everyone connected, with wireless charging included on most trims. A well-organized cabin goes a long way, but none of it lands right if the technology running the vehicle doesn't keep up. And that's where the 2027 RAV4 is making its sharpest improvements. Number 1. Modern tech features. The outgoing RAV4 carried real criticisms around its infotainment, a system that functioned but rarely impressed. The 2027 model is arriving as a direct answer to that feedback. Entry-level trims are going to feature a 10.5-inch touchscreen, while higher configurations step up to a 12.9-inch display, both running Toyota's newest interface with faster response and cleaner graphics. A screen that lags or requires multiple taps for a simple task creates friction every single day. In a vehicle used this frequently, that adds up fast. Toyota's updated system is targeting exactly that problem. Response speed and ease of use are going to be the priorities. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are going to be standard across every trim, and the digital gauge cluster is going to be standard at 12.3 inches. A head-up display, digital rear-view mirror, and 360-degree camera round out the available options list. Audio starts with a 6-speaker setup and steps up to a 9-speaker JBL system on higher trims. Pricing runs from around $34,000 for the base LE to approximately $50,000 for fully loaded PHEV variants. The 2027 Toyota RAV4 is arriving with a strong case at every level. Hybrid power across the full lineup, 3 distinct personalities, a 324 horsepower plug-in hybrid with real EV range, standard safety sense 4.0 on every trim, fuel economy pushing past 600 miles per tank, a practical and well-organized interior, and an infotainment system that finally delivers what buyers have been asking for. Starting around $34,000, it's a package that covers more ground than anything this nameplate has offered before. But it's not like there are no excellent alternatives around in this extremely competitive segment. The segment is full of strong contenders, and the new Mazda CX-5, which you can check out in our next video, is one of them. It's not just stylish and luxurious anymore, it's also way more spacious and practical than its predecessor.